This is how you're going to lube up your tracks on your motorized screen. First step, you're going to get 781 dry silicone lube. It has acetone in it, so it's going to dry up versus something with gel that turns into more of a grease. We don't want that inside our tracks, and it's going to gum it up. So first step, get this. Second step, you're going to spray out your track. There's a little plastic nylon piece inside this track. You're going to spray that out with the hose just on the jet function. Make sure all the dirt and like grass and all that stuff's out of there. Next step, let it dry, and then you're going to grab your lube and you're going to spray that exact same spot, so dead center of this track, just from top to bottom. And you'll see it start to dry up in about a minute. After it's dried up, you can run your screen up a couple of times and then just lube it from the top all the way to the bottom, and that's it.